Wadia Group sent its low-cost carrier Go First to a bankruptcy court in Delhi, alleging ever-increasing problems with Pratt Whitney aircraft engines. As a result, the airline has halted operations for the next 3 days and deferred decision-making to the National Company Law Tribunal, Delhi. Go First alerted its travel partners of the 3-day closure earlier in the day, and then released a statement announcing the start of an insolvency resolution procedure. These engine issues led to the grounding of approximately 50% of its Airbus A320neo aircraft fleet. The government has been working with Go First to address the supply chain difficulties and will now help lessen the impact of the grounding on passengers. The filing will grant the airline a suspension on making payments to creditors, including lenders, aircraft lessors, fuel suppliers, and ground handlers, as a result of their decision to file for insolvency. Go First reports that the proportion of aircrafts grounded because of problems with Pratt & Whitney engines increased from 7% in December 2019 to 31% in December 2020 and 50% in December 2022. According to the airline, Go First has suffered losses of 10,800 crores in income and additional costs as a result of the grounding of nearly 50% of its A320neo fleet due to Pratt & Whitney engines' repeated failures. It had paid lessors 5,657 crores during the previous 2 years, of which 1,600 crores was utilized to pay lease rent for aircrafts that were grounded but not in use because of the Indian government's Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme. The airline carried 6.9% of all passengers in March, and its departure has left a void that other airlines might not be able to fill right away because of supply chain concerns. Industry analysts anticipate that the grounding will have an impact on fares. Go First held a 8.9% market share in fiscal year 2022, and a sudden interruption in business is expected to help rivals and drive up prices due to supply issues. The cash-strapped Go First lenders will meet on Wednesday to determine the next step. They will also determine the level of provisioning needed during the meeting. According to its bankruptcy declaration, Go First owes its financial creditors a total of 65.21 billion rupees. The company has defaulted on payments to operational creditors, including 12.2 billion rupees to vendors and 26.6 billion rupees to aircraft lessors. According to the petition, it has received notices from the lessors on aircraft are coming to an end, and some have taken legal action against the company to halt or seize the aircrafts.